to get clarity on who it is you want to be and what it is you want to do with your life, with your existence. What do you want to contribute? What do you want to embody? How to stop feeling disappointed in yourself and fix low self-esteem. What's up? It's your boy, Alex, in the Boss Life Domination Den. And today, I want to share with you how you can finally stop feeling disappointed in yourself. Guys, what a horrible problem to have. So prevalent throughout society. I would even wager a guess that this is something that very, very few people ever learn to do completely. How to stop feeling disappointed in yourself. I have to tell you from my personal experience that I did not used to be very good at this. I really suffered from low self-esteem. I really suffered from low self-esteem for many years. It was horrible. It was a horrible existence. It was something that I really wouldn't wish upon anyone, even my enemies. I hope that even them, they can hold themselves in at least high esteem. For many years, I suffered at my own hand, constantly disappointed in myself for not living up to some vague expectation of who I thought that I should be. And you probably relate. I know many of my clients relate. For example, in my Habit Hacker Mastermind group, every single week when we meet, this constantly comes up. It's frequent. It's consistent. People always come back and there's a new way in which they are feeling disappointed in themselves, which is dragging their self-esteem down. So I know it's common and I want to help you beat this. I want to help you fix this low self-esteem problem. There's an interesting quote from Marcus Aurelius. He said, "I have often wondered how it is that every man loves himself more than all the rest of men, but yet sets less value on his own opinion of himself than on the opinion of others." Often I think that we are disappointed in ourselves because we are hoping that we will meet the expectations of other people. This is not a winning strategy. The way to win is to meet your own expectations, to meet your own standards. If you want to be proud of yourself as opposed to disappointed in yourself, if you want to hold yourself in high esteem as opposed to beating yourself up, you have to meet your own standards. And for you to meet your own standards, you have to know your own standards, and that requires you to do some very difficult work to get clarity on who it is you want to be and what it is you want to do with your life, with your existence. What do you want to contribute? What do you want to embody? What do you want to give and share? What influence would you like to have on other people? How do you want to perceive yourself and feel within and by yourself? These questions are not easy to answer. Abraham Maslow said, "It is not easy to know what we want. It is a rare and difficult psychological achievement." So don't feel bad for not knowing exactly who you want to be and exactly what your standards are right now. It's hard to decide that, which is why most people never really do. So the solution to feeling disappointed in yourself, the solution for low self-esteem is to decide exactly who you want to be in this life. And then to take the tiny steps day after day after day after day after day after day until you become that person. And steadily throughout that journey, you are feeling more and more proud of who you're becoming. And slowly, slowly, the esteem grows and the disappointment turns to pride. And before you know it, you found yourself standing here, preaching at the camera, damn proud of who I am, hold myself in extremely high esteem. And those low self-esteem issues, they're a thing of the past. It's not to say I don't have insecurities. Of course I do. But low self-esteem? No. Fuck no. I hold myself in very high esteem, and I am damn proud of who I've become because I decided this is the guy I want to be. And I worked and I worked and I worked and I worked. And now I meet my own standards. I've exceeded my old standards. Guys, this is the solution. I hope you use it. And if you like this kind of thing, hit that like button down below. Down here, I believe. And subscribe with the bell down here. and leave me a comment. I want to know, do you judge yourself too much? Or do you judge yourself the perfect amount? Or perhaps even not enough? That's rare. Probably that's not the case. Do you judge yourself too much or the perfect amount? Post your answer in the comments below. And if you want a system, for continually, step by step, day by day, becoming closer and closer to the person you want to be, I suggest you check out the Quarantine Domination Blueprint. Go to quarantinedomination.com. It's a free download. I think you'll love it. See you in the next video.